para sa ating second half. Official score 34-24-30 in favor of the Manila. Abdul and one for Abdul. Basket for steal by Garcia. Depano, bounce pass. Jayco Ying gets the basket. 29-30, timeout, Manila. What a nice shot para kay Jericho Ying. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Ivy and Sir Jasper Ying. Timeout, Manila. Baba na lamang sa isang lamang. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. Down by one. And that's an 8-second shot clock violation. Good defense para sa ating San Juan. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Joanne Barreto and sa ating Saber School community. Magandang umaga po from Japan. Ayan, galing po sila sa Japan. Baka naman. Joke lang. Oh! Gets the basket para sa Manila. Let's go, San Juan. Stan Sipek, stop and pump, short. Oh, steal by Borromeo. Borromeo miss it. Rebound ng Manila. Bounce pass number 5 using the glass. Wala. Rebound. Umatake. Wala pa rin. Number 5 gets the putback. Another steal for Manila. Oh, what a spin. Oh, what a move. For Manila. Babawi sa 3. Yes, sir. For Borromeo.
Kasi solid ang banda eh. Lima sila.
Ayan. Number 9. Pass number 5. What an extra pass. Biniti sa ere. Wala. Rebound by number 5. To number 9. 4-3. 3-point para sa Manila. Umiinit ang shooting form ng Manila. Pass to Abdul. Abdul, hook shot, miss. Gets a foul.
May video ka ba?
Another steal. Pass to Yang. Oh, that's a blocking foul.
Foul number 9. Third personal foul number 9. Okay. Third personal. Second foul.
Oopsie. Oh, bad pass. Let's go. Number 24, too strong. Rebound by Abdul. Good hustle. Abdul, nagmamadali. Abdul, block. Bola rito ng San Juan. Stop and pump. Basket for Jacob. 34-37. Number 5, wala. Good defense. Good hustle. Ayan na, Abdul. Uy. Gets the foul.
Foul number 7 and 1.
Foul number 7, that's Abdul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. 4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Third one.
Second shot. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Titus, pass to Abdul, sidestep, using the board, no good. Rebound by Borromeo. Depano will recover. Abdul, kick out. Titus for 3. Miss, rebound. Number 5. Out and pass. Ooh. Gets a foul.
Foul number 3.
Foul number 3, that's Depano. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 41-34. Running shot, basket for Borromeo. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Almost steal. Oh, good hustle. Steal. Nakitawid ng Manila. Number 5, sidestep. Block by Abdul. Number 5, block again. Kick out. Ooh. And score para sa Manila. Last 3 minutes na lamang po and 5 seconds. Titus to Depano. Borromeo for 3. No good. Ayan ang Manila. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Abdul. Abdul nagmamadali. Derecho. Ooh. And there's a foul. It's a blocking foul by jersey number 5. Two shots. First shot para kay Abdul. No good. Second shot missed. Wala. Rebound. Michael. Depano. Pass to Abdul. Abdul sumalaksak. Ooh! That's a trouble. According po yan sa ating official, last 2 minutes ng ating third quarter. Number 26. Fade away shot. Basket. Titus. Pass to Depano. Back to Abdul. Jump shot. Missed. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 11. No good. Rebound. Ooh. That's a jump ball. Substitution. Yang to Depano. Pams. Basket. 2 points for Depano.
Exactly
1 minute left. Number 11. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. By Cole. Cole, nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Ooh.
seconds.
35 seconds. Number 2. Wala. Rebound by Ivo. So that's go.
20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Ayan na. Tansipek. Sidestep. Walang tawag.
14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Last 14 seconds. Oh, steal by Depano.
5 seconds.
5. Depano and score. Mabasa limang. And that's the end of our third period. 40 in favor of. Fourth quarter tayo. Let's go. Basket. Rebound by Cole. Jacob 4-3. Yes sir. Para sa 3. 43-47. Favor pa rin sa Manila. Too strong. At nakalusot ang Manila. Jump shot. That's a foul.
Foul number 2. Number 2 is the fourth personal foul.
Two shots for Jayco Yeng. Center shot, basket.
Number 7, apat na foul.
44-49. Oh, almost steal by Borromeo.
15.
Number 13. Yeng. Whoa! Nice move para kay Nolasco, David. 46-49. Para extra pass. Nakalusot. Ang Manila. David. Top of the key for 3. Too strong. Number 24 to number 11. Gets a 3, miss. Rebound by Jayco. Yeng. Good. Jayco to Nolasco. Pass to Abdul. Tansipik. Nabitawan. Borromeo. Save by Jayco. Fake. Jayco attacking the basket. No call. Rebound ng Manila. Steal. Tansipik. David Nolasco gets the foul.
Foul number 17. Sabe? Sige, pasok.
Ayun na. Neset. Substitution. Riley Dipano coming in. Floater, miss it. That's a foul.
Foul number 15. Third personal foul number 13. 30 foul with 16 and 30 seconds. Last quarter of the foul.
Tansipik. Pass to Abdul. Abdul. There's a foul. Stop and pump. Jayco Yang. 48-51. Offensive foul. Depano for 3. Oh, good. And there's a foul again for Manila. Penalty. Manila under penalty situation.
Warning on Manila. 4 minutes, 57 seconds. 4-5-7.
Masok ba? Check ko na lang po mamaya. Second shot for Abdul. Basket. 49-51. Timeout. Timeout ba? Wala. Timeout. Oh, steal by Jayco. Oh, last touch. Same ball. Abdul. Traveling violation. Bola rito ng Manila. Ayun na. Bounce pass. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound by Tansipek. Pero naka-steal ang Manila. Gets the basket. 53-49. 4 minutes. Oh.
Foul number 2. Penalty.
The shot for Tansipek.
48 seconds. Number 6, third personal foul.
Wala. Rep 53. Jam shot. Wala. Rebound by Jayco. Let's go. Jayco spin. Fade away shot. Bam! Jayco Yang. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Pinagay sa corner. Oh! Nakalusot.
Exactly
Last 3 minutes, Jaco. Pinasa corner. Depano, in and out. Rebound ng Manila. Out at pass. Steal by Jaco. Yeng. Pass to Borromeo. And out of bound. Let's go, San Juan. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Wala ng Manila. Stop and pop. Ooh! Basket ba? Basket is good. Plus a foul. Substitution, Tenorio, coming in.
2 minutes, 35 seconds. Last,
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Yeng. Pass to Abdul. Abdul, get the shot. Gets the foul. 2 shots for Abdul. 52. Official score po natin 60-52. Kakatingin ko lang po. Second shot for Abdul. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na ang Manila. Cutter. Ooh. Nailusot. Last 2 minutes. 10-point lead para sa Manila. Let's go, San Juan. Oopsie. Another foul for Manila. Penalty.
Penalty foul. Fair personal foul. Fourth personal foul number 26 for Manila.
First shot missed.
1 minute 48 seconds against 1
1 minute and 48 seconds. Evo U. Basket. 53-62. Count number 11 for 3. Wala. Rebound. And gets a foul. Penalty. Manila under penalty situation. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Wala. Crucial free throw para kay Borromeo. Second shot. In and out. Ooh. It's a violation. 1 minute and 26. Wala. Nakahilasot. Abdul. Wala. Uy, nakalusot. Last 15. 50 seconds. Abdul. Too strong. Steal by Jacob. Evo, basket. Oopsie. Lifting violation. Last 20 seconds. David for 3, short. And a step in on the line for Manila. Ilang oras lang, sir? Timeout, San Juan. 13.9 seconds remaining. Kaya natin hadal natin San Juan team. Back to the ball game. Anim daw ang pumasok sa atin. Bonus shot para sa Manila.
Ay, bago yan. Bago yan.
Oh, no good. Last 10 seconds remaining para sa labang ito. 10, 9, Jacob for 3. Yes, sir. 2, 1. At dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating laban. At ito ang ating unang loss this season. Congratulations and nice game para sa ating San Juan. An intense game from both team. Congratulations to our Manila. Shout out, Boss Matt.
Manila pala panalo.
Bounce back tayo for the next game tomorrow. What a good fight for our team. Alright, our final score 68-58 in favor of the Manila Ayan, congratulations and nice game. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Hanggang sa muli.